Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to review how to find a book on the library website. If you'd like to find a book, there's two ways you can search. One is on the main search box on the library homepage. We call this the Find It box because you have to click the Find It button. So you can search here. Quick warning, this searches everything in the library collections, books, videos, as you can see here, articles, and a lot more. So you're going to get a big results list. There's also a tab here called Books and DVDs. If you search here, you can just type in either a keyword or a title, and it will search for print and ebooks only. I'm going to show you the difference with both of them. So if we type in Birds of British Columbia, I'll click Find It. In this search, like I said, there's a lot more stuff that's going to come up, articles, videos, etc. So as I see up top here, my search results is over 280,000, which is quite a bit. Right now, if I scroll down a little bit and look to the left-hand side, it says Limit To, and right now, Available in Library Collection is clicked on. I could click Print Books. If you prefer, you could scroll down under Resource Types. You could click eBooks only. For my situation, I'm just going to click on Print Books. So now I'm only looking at print books, and there's about 47 books, so a lot less than 280,000. Most of the records will look pretty similar. The first line is your title, so Birds of British Columbia. After that, we've got maybe the authors or editors. Underneath sort of this big section here, we have location. So it shows you this book is in Abbotsford. The call number is what you're going to need if you would like to physically go and grab it yourself. It tells you where it is on the shelf. So the call number for this is QL 685.5, et cetera, et cetera. So this, we always say maybe take a picture of it if you're going to go look for the book. In addition to the call number and knowing that it's an Abbotsford, you also need to know the status. And this one says reference. So reference actually means it's on the first floor in the Abbotsford Library. So if you went upstairs looking for it, that book would not be there. Reference in Abbotsford is on the first floor, and technically reference cannot be borrowed like regular books. They have to stay in the library. So you could sit in the library and read it and review it, but you can't take it home with you. So that might not be useful for your situation. If not, I would keep looking at other books here, see what we've got. We've got Common Birds of British Columbia, different author. Birds of British Columbia, sort of same author. This one just is in 1997. It's a little bit older than my 2009 copy. But the difference with this one, it's still in Abbotsford, very similar call number, but the status says stacks. So that means stacks are sort of open shelves, if you want to interpret them that way. And in Abbotsford, they're on the second floor. So you could just go up and grab that book and take it out for the standard 3 weeks if that's something you'd like to do, to take it home for your assignment. Similarly, if we were to click on the Books and DVDs tab and do a search for Birds of British Columbia, I'm just going to click on title. And before I click search, this just takes out that step of having to say, I only want to look at print books. I've got 48 results. My first one here is an ebook, and the rest of them I suspect, are very similar to my past list. So it just narrows that down a little bit more to say, I'm really only looking for books and ebooks before versus our Find It search where we had to do an extra click. So it's up to you how you want to find books. Just pay attention to locations, call numbers, and the status. And of course, if you have questions about finding books at any time, feel free to come visit the library, send us an email, give us a phone call, and we'd be more than happy to help you.